Hey guys, Steve and Kylee here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today, what are we going to take a look at?
Today we're going to do our review shooting rate on the FN 509.
Great. This gun has a height of 5.56 inches, weight with an empty magazine is 26.9 ounces, overall length 7.4 inches, barrel length 4 inches, magazine capacity at 17, that's with the extended mag of course. Standard 3-dot sights and MSRP of $679. However, you'll find it frequently, probably down in the low fives there at retail. I think I have another shot. I don't. I'm out of bullets. I only loaded 4 in there. Guess I got a little arrogant.
Thoughts?
A little depressed.
Because you missed a shot.
I missed a shot. Kylee outshot me on this one. I'm not happy about it.
Sometimes that's how it happens.
This is how it happens sometimes.
Now let's give me the thoughts on the 509.
I like it. I would own one. I think, again, soft shooting. It is accurate except for that one shot where it missed, and it wasn't me, it was the gun for sure.
Oh, for sure.
For sure.
It's always the gun.
Always the gun. Oh, shoot. I think, again, like many of the other striker fires, when you're dealing with guns of this caliber, not as in caliber as in 9mm or 45, but caliber as in the quality of them, I think it's hard to beat any of these larger brands that are putting out some solid firearms. I'm gonna give this one a solid 4. Much like most of the other striker fires that are of high quality, I think FN also makes a high quality striker fire firearm, and I enjoy shooting it. That 509, although I don't have a lot of experience with it, it shot well, smoothly. Of course, when we do these reviews, for those of you that are new to these are not talking about, we're not giving them a rating based on longevity or anything of that nature, although they do have a great reputation. We're giving these on how they shot today based on our experience today with them and relative to pricing. So relative to the price, I think you're probably, I'm gonna give it a 4.
I'm saying probably going to be close right there with you. Once again, kind of like a previous video that we did with the other FN, kind of a longer trigger pull.
Yep. Did you find this one to be better, the trigger pull?
Maybe a slightly. I didn't anticipate it as much, but maybe because I've had a little bit of practice since then with doing this one. I mean, I thought it shot great. Felt pretty good in my hand.
Are you thinking maybe we shouldn't go ahead and do this video since you outshot me on this one?
No, we should. This video is going to be like best views we've ever gotten.
Really? Because you outshot me? Gotcha. All right, so if they want to see more videos of you potentially outshooting me, what are they going to do?
You're going to hit the bell underneath the screen that we're on right now.
Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Take care.